California Realtor, and today I am in Newark in the Bay Area, and I'll be seeing this 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 2,816 square feet, 3-story home. The starting price is 1.4 million plus. The name of the community is Bungalows, and we'll be seeing the residents too. And the builder is Lennar. It's definitely one of my favorite builders because of their amazing quality, and pretty much everything is included in their homes. If you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And let's go. So this is the entrance, and here to the left is separate living area. I mean, it could be separate from the rest of the house because you do have a separate entrance to this part. So this has been staged as a living room, and you have a little kitchenette with a microwave, sink, and a dishwasher. And so this is the separate entrance. And there is a little outdoor area. This house would be good for somebody who would like to perhaps rent out part of the house, or if you have other family members living with you, or if you have frequent guests and visitors. That's a perfect space for the guest. So this has been set up as a living area. And now here, it is staged as a gym, but it could be a bedroom because you do have a closet and a bathroom and nice bright windows. But it also could be a gym, it could be an office. It doesn't have to be a living space. And here is a laundry room with plugins for stockable washer and dryer. This is a toilet and bathroom with 2 sinks. And there's also a full shower. And here is the walk-in closet. And there's a beautiful hardwood floor all throughout. Now here to the left is garage. It's a 2-car garage. And here to the left is a closet. It's just a standard coat closet. It's a hardwood floor on the stairs, which is really nice. It's better than carpet. That would get dirty pretty quickly. I often hear my clients complain about the carpet, so I definitely love to see a hardwood floor on the stairs. So this is the second floor, and let's start over here. This is a bedroom with a closet. And here is the bathroom with a shower and a 1 sink. And there is a carpet in a bedroom. So now that's your main living area. This is the kitchen. and a living room with a dining area. So let's check out the kitchen with more details. So here's the microwave, and it opens like this. Beautiful countertops. It's a dishwasher. Sink. Range. And stove. With the oven. It's a 5-burner stove. And that's a refrigerator, and there's an ice maker and water dispenser. And it looks like this inside. It's a standard size fridge, and this is the freezer part, and it looks like this. And here to the right is a pantry. It's actually really a large pantry. It's very deep, so there's a lot of storage over here. And here straight ahead is a powder room. There's a toilet and a sink, and I really love this wall. Not sure if it's a wallpaper or a tile. It looks more like a wallpaper actually, but it's beautiful. And here's another closet. So there's plenty of storage on this floor, which is really nice. So this would be the living area. There are lots of windows. It's very nice and bright. And now here, this has been set up as a dining area. And this is the balcony. It's actually quite spacious, but unfortunately I cannot open the door, so we can only see it through the window. So now let's go check out the 3rd floor. And again, hardwood floor on the stairs. This has been set up as a little workstation. And here, straight ahead, is a laundry room with a hookup for washer and dryer. And here is another bedroom, pretty much the same size as the one downstairs. Here's a closet, also the same size, and bathroom with a shower tub, toilet, and a sink. And also there's a carpet in a bedroom, and then hardwood throughout the rest. So this is the master bedroom, and it's actually really huge. It's very bright. It's in the corner of the house, so there are lots of windows, and you can see from here the San Mateo Bridge in the bay. That's pretty nice. And over here You can check out how the neighborhood looks. So what do you think of this bedroom? Let me know in the comments below. And here is the master bathroom. There's a tub and a shower. It's actually a really large tub. And here are two sinks with a large mirror, beautiful cabinets and countertops. And that's the walk-in closet. It's actually pretty large. And the closet, as you can see here, usually comes as a standard feature. So if you would like something else, you can get it fully customized. And there's a separate toilet room. That's the shower. And a full large tub. It's actually really big. So that was the master bedroom and master bathroom. And now let's go back downstairs. I'm very curious to know, what did you guys think of this home? You can let me know in the comments below your thoughts. And this is again the main living area. Yes, so please let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about this house, if you guys like it or no. And if you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to preview this home or any other, please send me an email. And thank you for joining me on this tour.